As a house of luxury, Rolls-Royce Motor Cars constantly seeks to create personal and deeply meaningful luxury products that reflect the marque's clients' ambitions and personal codes of luxury. Rolls-Royce's unparalleled bespoke capabilities enable clients to bring these desires to life through the commission of beautiful, handcrafted and truly individual Rolls-Royce motor cars. Now, Rolls-Royce is proud to present Droptail, the third chapter in a remarkable story that reflects the absolute pinnacle of the Rolls-Royce brand, and by extension the super-luxury sector. For Droptail, the focus was placed on creating an intimate and cosseting interior, which would also serve as an unprecedented canvas for highly bespoke woodcraft. Droptail captures the charm and embrace of two-seat motoring. It truly is the romantic. Only 4 expressions of this remarkable motor car will be created, each telling a unique and personal story that reflects the ambition, visions and taste patterns of its commissioning client, all of whom are significant collectors, patrons of the arts and business leaders. At 5.3 meters long and 2 meters wide, the exterior dimensions of Droptail recall the compact proportions of early Rolls-Royce Roadsters. Yet, as the motor car's progressive front-end treatment clearly signals, this is not a retrospective pastiche of a classic Rolls-Royce. For Droptail, designers dared to introduce a new interpretation of the marque's most precious iconography, the Pantheon grille and the Badge of Honor. A removable hardtop has been designed to give Droptail 2 very distinct characters. Without its roof, Droptail is a lithe, open-top roadster. With the roof installed, it is a formidable and dramatic coupe. Droptail's exceptionally low-slung profile and post-box glasshouse is an intentional statement of attitude, partially inspired by hot rod and custom-style modified cars of the mid-20th century. These vehicles were unique in that sections of the metalwork between the roof and the main bodywork were removed, or chopped, by hand in order to lower the roofline and create a bold and assertive aesthetic statement. Droptail celebrates the intimacy of a 2-seat roadster with a cocooning interior, cosseting and protecting occupants with a high waist rail and low seating position. Commissioning clients were particularly compelled by the notion of a highly focused, minimalistic approach to the interior. In response to this, Rolls-Royce designers sketched a fascia that celebrated minimalism and analog tactility. Just 3 primary buttons are visible, yet all of the functionality of a contemporary Rolls-Royce remains. The fascia alone took 4 years of development, testing and homologation. Completely new underpinnings were developed for Rolls-Royce Droptail beyond the marque's existing architecture. Reserved for Droptail's exclusive use, this rigid monocoque is constructed from aluminium, steel and carbon fiber. Steel is used for the load-bearing front wing and door sections, but from the B-pillar rearwards carbon fiber is used, comprising 3 bonded sections. Lightweight and infinitely formable, carbon fiber enabled the bold compound curves of Droptail's form to be realized. Indeed, the rear quarter panels are the largest carbon fiber panels ever created for a Rolls-Royce motor car. In the spirit of the earliest coach-built Rolls-Royces, whereby a body was lowered onto a rolling chassis, Droptail's exterior form is mounted on a contemporary Rolls-Royce drivetrain, ensuring a familiar experience to commissioning clients, all of whom are long-standing Rolls-Royce collectors. To reflect Droptail's fleet visual character, the twin-turbocharged 6.6-liter V12 engine has been subtly enhanced to deliver an additional 30 brake horsepower and an elevated torque figure of 840 Nm, the first time that engine power output has been increased for a Rolls-Royce Coachbuild project. That's all for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.